This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll show how you can enable and adjust the pre-recording feature on this device. In the beginning, take your action pod and swipe downwards from the top top edge of the display. On the control panel, find the pre icon, tap on it, then you can go into settings and adjust the pre-recording length and set it anywhere between 10, 15 and 30 seconds. And once you're ready, just hit the start recording button. And as you can see, the pre-recording has been started. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.